Hi there everybody, my name is Teddy Rose and this week we'll be working with drawing 10 different points in space as we have right here, all vector quantities, and then how those points in space are going to interact with 3 different charges. And we have charges 1, which is a positive charge, and that is going to be at the origin right there. We have charge 2, which is also positive, which is going to be at the vector point -1, 0, 3, and these are all in meters. And then we have charge 3, which is a negative charge, which is going to be located at point 0, -2, 1 meters. So then basically I just created 10 different points in space, anywhere ranging from 1, 0, 0 to 3, 0, -1 in no particular order. So the process we're going to do to find an E-field vector, which is going to give us how these points in space interact with these different charges. So that process is we're going to have 1/4 pi epsilon naught, and then we're going to have the charge on top. So that's going to be the first charge, which is 10 times 10 to the -7th coulombs. And that's going to be over the magnitude, so subtracting the 2 vectors and then squaring them, basically just finding the magnitude, and then the directional vector, which is going to give us the correct quantity or the correct negative or positive vector quantity. And so we're just going to repeat that, interchanging with the different charges. So this is going to be the next charge, and we're going to find the magnitude for that one, and then that directional vector, and then we're also going to do that for the final charge, which is negative, so it's become negative, and also finding the magnitude for that and the directional vector. And then after doing that, we're going to add them all together, since it's that's how you find the net electric field acting on that one point in space, which we're dealing with right now is 1, 0, 0. And then finally, we're going to get, it's kind of sloppy, but it's 15,923.08, comma, -15,000, comma, 8,096.92. Just a vector quantity. And so that's going to be the way from the point in space the vector is going to point, and that's going to be in newtons over coulombs because it's an electrical field basically. So then we're going to repeat this process about 3 times, and you can see all my work. It's pretty simple math once you get it down, just doing it with all the charges. And then finally you're going to get a plot that looks something like this. Probably would look better in a computer program because you can see the 3D vectors better, but basically this would just be charge 1, charge 3, which is negative, and then charge 2 in the points in space. And as you can see, the E fields interacting with the points in space is that basically their electric fields are pointing away from the positive charges, as you can see. And then roughly it's pretty easy to see, I think, but they're kind of pointing towards the negative charges, which is a characteristic of electric fields. So thanks for watching. Leave a like and sub.